guys, it's Tina and I am back, and I have a fun video for you guys today. At least I think it's a fun video. As I mentioned in previous videos, I kind of want to start mixing it up on my channel. I want to do different things that I personally enjoy, and hopefully you guys will enjoy as well. And I figured in addition to doing like clothing and fashion videos, I can also do nail videos. Now, to be fair, I have been asked to do videos featuring my nails more, and I am not like the expert, so that's why I've kind of stayed away from it. Like, I don't know to do painted on designs. Like, I know to do a little bit, but like not that much. So I've not really like delved into doing nail care videos or nail specific videos. But lately I've been really getting into press-on nails instead of wearing just my natural nails. I've just gotten lazy, guys, and press-on nails have kind of been my jam. And there has been like a drastic improvement in these nails from years and years ago when press-on nails were like seen as tacky and cheap. Now I'm like, listen, I will wear my press-ons with pride, okay? And they actually do last a pretty long time on my nails, and they're inexpensive. I will say though that they do damage your nails, okay? There's no real getting around that unless you use like tape adhesive instead of glue. That can minimize the damage a bit, but I just wear the glue, I deal with the damage, I just trim my nails down. I'm not trying to grow my natural nails right now. Like, I'm okay with the bit of damage. So if you're looking into wearing these, just be mindful of that. They're not gonna be nails that are gonna be damage free. They're gonna weaken your natural nails a bit. And maybe that's okay with you like it is with me right now. Maybe your natural nails don't grow that well anyway, and you want it to still be fancy with the nails. And you can do that with these without having to go to the nail salon and spending like hundreds of dollars every couple of weeks to get like that fresh set and like that really poppin' design. You can get these hot designs for $5 to $8. That's how much I've been paying for my nails. So I'm gonna show you the demo of how to do these, but I also, before I get into that, wanted to show you some different designs that I picked up. Now, the nails I've been using are specifically from Kiss, and they have different versions of them, which can make them either $5.99 or $7.99. So like this one is a Glam Fantasy, so it's more expensive. And I've also been using the brand Goldfinger, but I'm not sure if these are specifically associated with Kiss. It seems so, but you can find these online, and you can also find them in stores. So I go to a beauty supply store for the Goldfinger, and I think these are also at Walgreens because that's where I find the Kiss ones. The Kiss ones are more readily available. You can find them at Target, Walgreens. I've seen them in CVS. I go to Harmon's or Bed Bath & Beyond. You can find them there as well. Rite Aid, those different drugstores, you'll be able to find the Kiss ones, and they're also at Target. Did I mention that? I think I did. And even Walmart. Did I mention that as well? Those different stores you can find the Kiss nails, and mostly any beauty supply you can go to. The Goldfinger ones are a little bit trickier to find, but I found this at a local beauty supply store. So let me go ahead and show you some of the designs that I've been really into. So the style number for these are on the box, so it's GFL 12. And these are a luxury design. I got these for $4.99, and you see these have like a nautical design with gold accents. So these are really fun. They're not just a plain design. And here's one from Kiss. These are more expensive. These are $7.99, and these have also different designs on them. Glitter, but these are a longer ones, so it's not gonna be the pointy short ones that I have here. These are a longer like coffin shaped design. This one is another beautiful one. It's a Glam Fantasy, also from Kiss. Again, these are more expensive in the long coffin shape, and they have that beautiful mermaid chrome effect. Kiss also does these masterpiece designs. These are a lot more expensive. So these are $10.99, I do believe, but I use a coupon on these at Harmon's to get a cheaper price, but these have these rhinestones on them. So really beautiful. They have a chrome one, and then they have matte finish. But aren't these gorgeous? Again, that's the coffin shaped design. Here's another one from Goldfinger. These are the Gel Glam, and I have to make sure that I get the L ones. The L stands for long, which means it's for those of us with long nail beds. So my nail beds are extremely long, so I need them to be the L designs. The mediums just end up being a little bit too short, especially with this shape. Because these are a shorter length, I have to be careful to make sure I get the L's. So this one is a beautiful one. The L's will fit like they do right now on my nails. This is the one I'm gonna show you me applying, and these are from Goldfinger as well. They also have like the airbrush throwback 2000 nails with the square tips. These are fun. I don't know, maybe I'll wear these for Halloween. What do you guys think? This black and white design. Really fun though. Another blue one from Goldfinger. These are the shorter nails, which I love this length because it's really comfortable to wear when I'm typing and everything. And like I said, they're not that expensive. These are $5.99. They also have very basic plain colors. So these are a matte finish taupe, and these are $4.99. Again, they're long, so they'll fit my nail bed, and they have just a very simple shape to them. Here's another really fun one. This would have been perfect for the summer, but I didn't get to wear these yet. And then look at these. These are a black and white stripe design as well. I really think these are fun. And I also got these, which are a black and gold. I think this will be fun for like the holiday season. They also have chrome ones. So these are a pink chrome. Again, not really pricey. These are $5.99. They have a fully black one. Again, basic. So these are the $4.99 ones. And then a really fun one that I wore on vacation were these Aztec designs. Again, $5.99. But as you step it up into the bejeweled ones with the different crystal accents and like the ombre effect, these get a little bit pricier. So again, this is from Kiss, and this is the Masterpiece design, and this is $10.99. Now, in addition to those nails that already have color or designs pre-applied, there are also options to do a more natural finish. So they're a natural acrylic look. So you know that ombre from like the light pink that your nails kind of look like when they're natural to that more white tip. They also have those available, and I picked those up because I wanted to try out these different styles of nails that I could paint myself. So if I simply just wanted a nail extension, I could just pop these on and then color them with whatever nail polish I have at home, because that's also an option that I want to have available because I have really fun colored nail polishes. So I picked these up from Kiss. Again, I got the long length, and they have different shapes available. So these ones are like the shape that I'm wearing right now, which is just a very basic, very simple design. I love the pointed effect. They're not too sharp, and they're the perfect length for like just everyday typing, doing things with your hands, and you don't want to have really long nails. These are perfect. But they also have the square tips, which I know a lot of people aren't into these days. They're more into the pointed or coffin shaped nails. I still love a square tip, so these are a longer one, but I'm really excited to try these out. And then, as I mentioned, the coffin style. So if you're more into the longer nails, you want that kind of effect, you can also use these. And I love having these options available. So now that I've blabbed on and showed you all the different styles and told you how excited I am about these different designs that I've been wearing, let's go ahead and go into the demonstration. Just showing you how easy it is to apply these nails. It's really no muss, no fuss. It's a quick manicure. There's not much to it, and I think anyone can apply these and just have fun with their nails. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I'm grabbing my nails from Goldfinger. These are GFL 14, and they have crystals on them, and they also have a glitter accent, and they are a burgundy and black ombre. So I think these are perfect for the fall season. And you'll see instructions on the back of the box that tells you how to prepare your nails, how to apply the actual nails, and how to remove them. So definitely make sure you read the instructions. So inside this box is an entire kit. So you get 30 design nails, but you also get the pink gel glue that you're going to use to apply the nails, and you also get a manicure stick. But for me, I go ahead and actually do a home manicure to prep my nails. So I get my orange stick, I get my cuticle trimmers, along with my nail file and buffer. So to start out with, I'm prepping my nails from the previous removal. So I'm trimming my cuticles with my cuticle trimmers. A lot of people are kind of skeptical about doing this themselves. You can get just a simple manicure at a nail salon if that makes you more comfortable. But if you're comfortable with trimming your cuticles at home, just do that now. And my cuticles grow out a lot, so I do have to trim them and clean up the base of my nails. And then I'll go in with my nail file and buff around the sides of my nails. So this is going to remove any residual glue, or it will remove my hangnails. It will just file my nails because, as I said, when you remove these, they do damage your nails. So I'll just buff around the edges of my nails and go over it with my nail buffer as well, just to smooth out the ridges that have been created on my nails. Now, my nails aren't ultra weak or anything. They're not painful, thankfully, but they do have like different ridges that are created by the previous nails that I was wearing. And then, as it says, you need to clean your nails with acetone to just clean my nails and remove any of the debris that's left over by the file and the buffer. And I'll even go as far as to wash my hands a bit and let them completely dry before I go in with the next step, which is to apply a nail protein or a nail hardener. For me, I use the Nail Teaks Formula 2+. Again, there's gonna be damage to your nails, so you wanna kind of prevent that a bit and also give your nails something to help strengthen them as you wear these nails. So I apply 2 layers of my nail protein and let that dry down completely. So I'll wait a good 10-15 minutes before I go in with the nails. So once you open up the pack of nails, again, there are 30 design nails included, so you're gonna have various sizes, and you're gonna go through each of the designs and the sizes and make sure you get the perfect fit for each of your nails, or as close a fit as you can get as possible. If you are unsure, go for a size up and then just carefully buff the size of the nails to size them down. You never want to use one that's too small because it's going to be obvious on your nails. So size up and then trim them as needed. What I find is that I don't really have to trim these too much at all. They fit my nails pretty well. And like I said, these are the long length, which I definitely need to cover my long nail beds. So I'll go through all of the nails and pick the sizes that fit me best. And I'll also try to sync up and line up the design so each hand will have a similar design as the other one. So once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and apply the nail glue to the nail. So I put a drop in the center of the nail and then I feather it out to the edges. This glue actually works pretty well, so I don't have to use a separate glue at all. I think the glue that is included is really good and it does hold the nails in place for 7 or more days. And I'll only apply the glue to the nail, it says. They recommend applying it to your own nails as well, but I just find that's just too much glue. The glue on the nail itself is sufficient to hold them in place. Now, do be mindful that there's no wait time for this, so you don't have to wait for the nail glue to get tacky or dry or anything. You go directly from applying the glue to the nail itself and then applying the nail to your natural nail. So I start by applying these to the base of my nail. So I put the base part down first, closest to my cuticle line, and then I press the rest of the nail down. And with these, depending on how much glue you apply, you don't want to put too much, there might be some overflow. So that's where the orange stick comes in handy. So I'll go around the sides of my nails and remove the excess glue. You don't want to allow that to dry on your skin at all. It's going to be a pain to remove. So just use your orange stick to go around the edges of your nails and clean up the excess glue. And it's a really quick process. It doesn't dry down ultra fast, so you have time to work with it. And then I'll go ahead and do that for the rest of my nails. As I said, I apply the base of the nail to my cuticle area first, and I go as far down my cuticle as I can because we don't want to show nail growth or anything, right? We want these to really look pristine on our nails. And then I'll go around the edge and remove the excess glue again from each of the nails. And then once I have all the nails in place, what I'll do is use my cuticle trimmers and go around the sides of my natural nails and clip any of the overhanging natural nail. Because remember, now my nails have grown out. They're not in the shape of the press-on nails. they're gonna be in their own natural shape. So I do need to shape them. So I do this after I apply the nail so I can see where I need to trim. So I'll simply trim the edges of my nails where they go outside of the shape of the press-on nail. And then I'll also go in with a nail file and go around the edges again just to make sure everything is smooth, there are no sharp edges. And I'll also go around the tip of the nails because they tend to have a little bit of extra overhang that you want to remove and make sure that is also smooth. And then of course go in with your cuticle oil to finalize everything and hydrate your cuticles so they're nice and fresh. So there you have it. These nails will last about a week to 2 weeks depending on how much activity you do, how much you use your hands, and what you use your hands for. Like if you're soaking in a lot of water or you're doing manual labor a lot, then these will last maybe a week. And the glue is a very strong adhesive, so your nails just won't go popping off, flying off all over the place, which is what we used to experience back in the day with our press-on nails. Those things will just go flying. You'll be like, what? I lost the nail. These actually stay on pretty well, and I remove these in the shower. Now they give you removal instructions where you gotta soak it in acetone and carefully take them off and like file them down and all that stuff. I ain't got time, honestly, truly, and I don't care about the damage that prying them off causes. I know this is not something I need to be recommending to you guys, and this is why I'm not a nail channel. This is why I don't do nail videos, because obviously I'm telling you stuff that I shouldn't recommend to you. But like after about a week, maybe 10 days, depending on how secure they are, I just take a warm shower and then I lightly pop up the edges because that's where they'll start lifting first at the sides. So I'll just go under them with my thumbnail and pry them off and just gently work the glue loose in the warm shower. And I do that for all the nails, leave the thumbs for last, and then use each thumb to remove the thumbnails. And the thumbs are probably the most difficult ones to remove, but they still come off relatively easily by just prying the edges of the nails. And again, not my recommendation, but it's what I do and it works. And I have damage to my nails, but they're not as damaged as wearing acrylics at the nail salon when you have to soak those off. It's less damage than that. And I've just been having fun with my nails, and it's easy to mix them up. And I've been just enjoying this. So when I'm ready to go back to my natural nails, I'll do that. But for now, I'm having tons of fun, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys in case you were interested in trying these out yourself. Maybe you already have weak nails and your nails don't grow anyway, so you don't care. You just want to be cute and wear the different styles that have been circulating. You want to be in with the in crowd, and that's okay. It's fine. Maybe they don't grow really long and you want some extensions, and this is an easy way to try out extensions without investing in acrylics or gels. That way you can see if these are nails that you could actually wear daily before you go and start doing the long process of acrylics. I don't recommend trying out acrylics just for the hell of it because it takes maintenance and it's a long-term commitment. It's not something that you're just gonna do for 2 weeks. These you can literally do for 2 weeks and keep it pushing. So I hope this video was helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and leave links to the different places that I've found these. As I mentioned, drugstores and different beauty supply stores. I've even found them online at some beauty supply. Forget the beauty supply I found them, but I'll link it down below where they had various different styles, and they have medium length, short length, and long length. So they're also styles for people that have really short nail beds. You can use the short ones or you can use the medium ones depending on how long your nail beds are. The long ones do fit my longer nail bed, but I do have to trim the edges, especially when I use the pointed style. The square styles are gonna be the ones that are gonna be the best fit to cover your entire nail because of the shape. But with the pointed styles and the coffin shapes, they're gonna leave a little bit of extra overhang of your natural nail, so you do have to trim the shape. But that's not a big deal for me. But overall, the long style does fit my nails pretty well. But again, they have the medium length and short length alternatives if you have shorter nail beds than I do. So again, hopefully this video was helpful for you. I'll go ahead and leave links to my social media accounts, so Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, where you should be following me along because we have fun over there, and I showcase like different nail styles in case you're interested as well. And you can see outfits of the day, and we'll chat and just have a good time. Find me there, and until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye, guys.